Yo. Yo. What is going on, guys? Yo, who the fuck caught longs, bro? Who the fuck caught longs? I'm currently break even on Dow Jones longs right now. I'm long on Dow. Like way down lower at like 890. Who the fuck is long? Bro, we are fucking ripping face. Why? Did they drop news, bro, or some shit? Because, like, look at this fucking ripper. This is, like, actually sending it off to the moon. This is ripping it to the moon. Slow down. Yeah, no, you're right. Slow down. Oh, also, I would advise you guys not to trade any funded accounts tomorrow. If you're up on the week, skip tomorrow and trade evals only. That's exactly what I'm doing. Even right now, that's all I'm doing is I'm trading evals. We're already up stupid fat to start the week. Telling me to slow down. Only thing that I can think of is waiting for like a 30-minute gap continuation play. I like a 30-minute gap continuation. All my ops is red, telling me to slow down. Voices in my head telling me to slow down. Yeah, I guess previous daily high and the relative equal highs on Dow. Dude, fuck FOMC, bro. I literally despise that day. If I didn't have to stream in the Discord, I would literally go golfing in the morning. Or just play golf all day. Christian, how long does FTMO take to pay out? Good girl. Good girl is a man. Good girl. Good girl needs some hands. So I got to let you know I want to let you know all the girl. Yeah, exactly, Nirvana. Or Nirvana. That's exactly what I want. 30-minute gap sequence to run to the highs. Did you guys take any trades today? Anybody take trades today? Today was pretty fucking easy, I'm not gonna lie. Wait, so FOMC or FTMO takes 14 days to pay out? Is that true? Pause for me. I got a break even short on ES, and then I took a long in the PM on NQ. Oh, okay. Request every 14 days. That's the answer that I wanted. Yeah, no, I'm in YM longs at 52,890. And my stops are at break even. I'm in pretty low into the range. I got TP at 53.42. There was a 30 minutes two stage at the lows inside of the gap, and I longed that bit. Yeah, exactly. Oh wait, you actually got the same. You're in the same exact point as me. My literal entry says 52,890. That's funny. Stops are at break even, yeah. Stops at break even, and all I need is it to go to 53.42. Obviously, if I were you, I would hold it to the relative equal highs. But I want to see a continuation sequence running the external high. Whether that's on the S&P 500, NQ, or YM, any of the three assets. How much did you risk? I basically just full sent the account. Dun, 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 dun. Once you are funded, they're gonna put you on some risk restrictions. Oh, you're talking about FTMO? Dude, the last CFD prop that I was running was my Forex funds. And that was back in 2022. I haven't touched that shit in a minute. Also, I just fucking hate CFDs. $30-minute gap continuation on NQES or YM ESCO. Speaking of that, I actually want to put your message on my story. Bum, 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 bum. 30 minutes gap continuation. Ugh. Also, I have some Apex accounts to give away to you guys. We just got to get likes on the stream, and you need to be liked and subscribed to the channel. And it's for the their sale that they have going on, the legacy accounts, the $59 all in on the 100K legacy account. It's like literally the cheapest fucking deal that they have out right now. It ends on Wednesday. I have some of those accounts to give away to you guys. Buy us on golds. Dude, I don't know, dude. Gold looks like shites. Why are you guys so obsessed with gold when this is in this like daily chop? Like, you guys really try and trade this shit? This is the most uninteresting chart I've ever seen. Bro, yeah, dude, give it up. Hang it up. You gotta cheat on her at some point, bro. This is some ass cheek. This is literally just a daily consolidation after tagging Monthly Gap. I think gold still goes lower, but my God, there's no speed within this. I think FOMC will probably give it some juice. Honestly. What makes me go bullish, bro? If you're not bullish by looking at this chart on indices, then you need to reevaluate something. But the speed or whatever we got at, what is that, 7 p.m., where we opened up low, we created an SMT at the hourly candle lows between NQ, ES, and YM, and then we exploded higher. We had the Dow Jones leaving behind these relative equal highs on the daily time frame. See the daily time frame, relative equal highs, resting here. This is the draw on liquidity on the Dow Jones, and then you come down here as well. You see we have an SMT on the daily time frame at previous daily lows with NQ resting here. We also have a daily PSP, which is a down close candle here on NQ, up close candle on ES. There's SMT at these lows here. Now we're finally like trading back within the range. Then on top of that, with that daily SMT, we have what's it called? The open. I don't know what. I generally have no idea what caused this pump, but with that hourly candle closure, we have previous daily high draw on NQ to be taken out. Same thing with the Dow Jones. ES has already taken it. Then beyond that, you want to look for relevant swings. This relevant swing right here. And then beyond that, oh my God, Thunder is about to fucking come down, bro. Holy shit. But based off of the displacement that the last hourly candle gave, I'm not bearish. I'm not bearish. I shouldn't really have to explain that much, but you should not be bearish after that push, especially with price having clear buy side above. Like there's no bearish sentiment needed there. If you're looking to short here, there's something wrong with you. Not long-term bullish. I'm looking short-term bullish, like intraday setup, session setup. You know? Ain't acting tough. They ain't one getting bucked. Hopefully that makes sense. But we want to see a continuation higher from gaps that are placed in. Mainly 30-minute fair value gap. When it's time to fight, shoot our last one to throw a punch. How's your guys' July been? How's everybody's July trading been? Have you guys been killing the game? Have you been struggling? Break even? How's everybody's trading been for the month? Hopefully it's been good. Hopefully it's been good.
The party's just
Bro, it sounds like it's going to fucking have an earthquake outside of my crib. For the people that are saying that it's been shitty, has it been shitty because are you like blaming price action, or like are you genuinely like trying your hardest to review everything that you think is going wrong? Damn, Kai, what the fuck? How? I promise you, yo, the struggle of like keeping accounts and blowing them is a true neglect to holding yourself accountable and staying within limitations on a day. Like the root of all of your problems, guaranteed, is that. Yo, this would be fire if this 30-minute closes the down close on the S&P 500. Up close here, PSP, 2-stage within the gap, then we go higher. And I thought that I was... Fuck. Well, if you revenge traded bad today, at least you know what you did wrong and you know how to correct that mistake moving forward. I just know that, like I know people in the trading space that it is very, very difficult for them to walk away from the charts after losing a trade. Like type 1 in the chat if that is something that you struggle with most, is accepting a losing trade and being done. Or type 2 if that's just not a problem at all for you. Like type 1 if you actually struggle with walking away from the charts. And the cause of you blowing accounts is because you are taking multiple paper cuts on trades that add up. And then you go into a fuck it mode where you just stop caring about the account. Because I guarantee, yo, when you start making those mistakes that you know you shouldn't be doing, your brain goes into that fuck it mode. And that fuck it mode is literally you not caring about the account anymore. And in your head, it's already gone. Like you already lost the account and you're basically just clicking buttons to click to feel something. If you can get past that point, you can be strict, like exactly what Kerm just said. If you can be strict with your rules, get that part down, everything else becomes much easier. It just is a matter of being consistent with the rule set and following the model. Free the Tate brothers? Are they locked up? Bro, Clank, I can't even tell you how many times that shit has happened to me before, bro. Like, I'm not even kidding. That shit is so much more common than you think, bro. Like, bro, this short, I'm not even kidding. I was about to be tilted. I took shorts this morning. Since we still have 9 more minutes until this 30-minute gap forms, I'm gonna show you guys the trade that I took this morning on ES. I'll show you guys this trade that I took this morning. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, this is exactly what I did. So I know everybody was targeting these lows on the S&P 500, and then beyond that, there was that monthly bullish fair value gap that we were all targeting on the Nasdaq. So come to that 4-hour time frame before the open, we wanted to see price deliver lower to that monthly gap. Dude, it sounds horrible outside of my house right now. And then we had SMT inside of this 4-hour. I dropped to the 15-minute time frame. I wanted to see some sort of manipulation occur at the open. Like, we had SMT at London. I get it. I wanted to get on side of the Nasdaq with a opportunity to like take it down to that monthly gap, but I didn't have any sort of entry function. And even if you look closely between YM, ES, NQ, you can see all of like the corresponding 15-minute candles highs. They were all the same. The only SMT that we really had was within the session. Some people in my Discord, they took this. I don't know if you guys took it too. They took this 15-minute bearish order block and they shorted it at the open with their stop covering either that 15-minute candle here, or you could have covered the 15-minute swing there, and then they targeted a 1 to 2. I didn't do that. I wanted to wait to see what happened at the open and if we could like manipulate higher potentially, but that was a trade that you could have taken. 4-hour to 15-minute on the forever model. But I missed this, so I tried to capitalize on a short following that. We already took out the lows on NQ, so that draw was already met. We left behind relative equal lows on the S&P 500. So I wanted to see the 10 o'clock candle come in and send us lower from this 15-minute gap. I took a short at the tag of that 15-minute gap, stop at the high, candle high, and then a TP all the way down below. It would have been a 2 risk to reward, 2.08. So I get tagged in here. This is my tag in on the S&P 500. Immediately after that, because you can see we created an SMT inside of that gap between NQ and ES and the Dow Jones. Immediately after that, I drop down to a 1-minute time frame and I take my stops and I put them break even on the first entry that I take. I wanted to scale into the position. And how am I going to scale into the position? What do I need to happen? I need to see like some sort of 1-minute change in the saved delivery out of that 15-minute bearish gap. So once we got the reaction here and price displaced lower and we confirmed a 1-minute change in the saved delivery out of that 15-minute gap, this is when I wanted to add into my position. So I added in here at the retracement here. My stop covered the high of the 10 o'clock candle, and then I put my TP all the way down at the low like this. My average cost after price retracing into my 1-minute change in saved delivery, my average cost was here. So my risk to reward from that point, entering here and there, my average was 431.75. Now, when price delivered lower, eventually resting here, I saw that we were creating an SMT at this point in price between this high and this high between the Dow Jones and ES. So we create an SMT en route to my take profit. Boom, I take my stop, drag it to that 1-minute swing high, right? After that, price then accelerates lower. We inverse this 1-minute bullish fair value gap. So I'm like, okay, bet. At this point, now we have a 1-minute inversion. We have a 1-minute bearish fair value gap resting here, there's no point of price to come back higher and take me out. I automatically go break even. So I'm break even at this point. I'm expecting NQ and ES, or I'm expecting ES to break that SMT at the lows. Next 1 minute candle comes down lower just like this. But look at the difference right now too between NQ and ES. This is the 4-hour candle low from the 6 a.m. This is the low of the 4-hour candle from 10 o'clock. There's a bullish SMT here. Lower low on NQ, higher low on ES. So I am very, very like comfortable and smart to be break even at this point, because if price reverses, it's because of the bullish S&P at the lows, and most likely we'll leave it behind. Watch what happens. Obviously, price consolidates. It's like barcoding in the 1 minute, and then price comes up, wicks me out at break even, and then forms this 1 minute candle that looks like this. And at this point, I'm like, fuck. Did I just get stopped? Did I just get top ticked out and then it's going to go lower? The old me literally would have revenge traded this and then started going in, reselling it, and putting my stop right at the high and targeting the low. The old me would have done that. I would have crashed out. I would have literally seen this. I would be like, okay, fuck, I need to go back in now. And then I would have gotten railed on the next 1 minute candle and then lost the full size of the position like I would have lost if I got stopped out regularly. But I just fucked off and I did what I needed to do and went about the rest of my day. But hopefully that is not you, where you go into that fuck it mode and that revenge trading mode because you are angry at price for smacking you in the ass. Hopefully that's not you. We need to get out of that mindset. We need to stop doing that sort of bad habit. That is what would tilt me crazy. Is that something that you guys struggle with? No. I am literally so close to full TP on YM. Bum, 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 bum. Old me would have fucking tilted beyond belief and immediately market sold that bitch. Immediately. Am I in anything right now? I'm in YM longs. From the lows. I'm in YM from the lows. Yeah. I'm in at 52,890. Bum, 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 bum. How to use the PO3 indicator? I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, bro. I don't think you need me to make a video on that. So if you look here, oh shit. If you look here, you can see what happens on the Dow Jones here. Inversion of this 5-minute bearish gap, while closure above these up close or these down close candles here. My entry was a little late, but I'm in at 590 from here. My stop loss was at the low because it was a 30-minute SMT and an hourly SMT at these lows here. So I longed here, and I'm looking to target higher prices. See how the 30-minute candle here within this gap in price and the hourly candle. See how we make a higher low on the Dow, make the lower low on the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq within a fair value gap, leaving behind relative equal highs. That's exactly what I did. All right, here's a 30-minute candle coming in here. Set your alerts at the previous 30-minute candle low on ES and NQ. We want to see if we can get a continuation set up. Trading higher, taking out 53,113. All right, good. 30-minute gap tag on NQ. Now I want to see this 30-minute candle low hold on YM. And I want to see us get a sequence higher. Same time. Maybe if we can get a long from this 3-minute gap on YM. I would long this. Cover the SMT at the 30-minute candle low. Put a limit in there. If I can get a tag of that 3-minute gap. Damn. It sounds fucking horrible outside of my house, bro. YM is stronger, Esco. So I want to see if I can get a tag at this 3-minute gap. Yeah, I wanted to go to the relative equal highs that are left behind. Pretty much just it's the previous daily high. I got to limit it at 52,999. It's like a 3 risk to reward to the highs. Come around the way. Damn, you can hear that outside? Isn't that fucked? Sounds horrible. It literally sounds like... It sounds horrible. Damn, I did not think that you guys could hear that. I guess the new mic is pretty fucking loud. Oh. I'm on stream. Right there. See if I can get a tag. Come on, bitch. Give me a tag. Yoga. Give me a fucking tag of that gap. Give me a tag of that gap.
Order filled.
All right. I'm in there on YM. Also, I'm trading 50K end of day. End of day, what's it called? Accounts. So basically, I have 1,000. I'm trying to risk 1,000 to make 3. Let's see, actually, how much do I need? Go retarded. Cold hard. I think this is 1,000. Let me try, actually. TV. Maybe creepy. Don't believe me. She freaky. Oh, perfect. I need it to go to here. I need to go here. Brr, brr. Put this blasting. Ops mad that I left it. Stacking nothing but my money. Got it chunky. Pretty boy, but I ain't ugly. In a second, you're a real one, and I protect it. AP, try my to protect it. Hit it raw, hold on. It's on my element. My element. The Louboutin. My break even, I'll worry. I don't have a break even, bro. Or if price closes through this high, then we could probably just go break even. If price closes through the high, then we can go break even. Or if we create fair value gaps en route to the take profit. You know? Saying, yo, what you telling, yo? Who you telling, yo? It would be fuck. US 30. US 30. That's what it would be. US 30. If it's CFDs, you're trading US 30. Work it to the bone. If I drop the percentage, I can make it high. Hey, wait, hold on, guys. I had to make a phone call to my fucking dad. 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Get back to 305. Yeah. The draw on liquidity for the Dow Jones is up here. The relative equal highs. Well, previous daily high, pretty much. Previous daily high. It's these daily relative equal highs. That's the prime draw. I mean, will we get there tonight? I don't know. But maybe. 305. Can't sleep. Will we get there tonight? I don't know. Back to the 305. Am I in this trade? Yeah. 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 Guys, like the stream so we can do some giveaways. I want to have at least 150 likes on the stream. I got Apex accounts to give away to you guys. Also, if you guys haven't picked up those accounts for the legacy accounts or any other accounts that are 90% off, it ends on Wednesday. Those accounts end Wednesday. Dude, it literally sounds like there's going to be an earthquake outside of my fucking house. It sounds bad. Yeah, yo, Esco, it's fucked. Ecstasy. Over and over. And over. Ecstasy. Ran over. Motherfucking shame, bro. And tomorrow, guys, for FOMC, please, 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 I will say this again. Do not trade your funded accounts tomorrow. If you're going to take any trades, trade evaluations for FOMC. Thank me later. I promise you, FOMC AM sessions and even the PM, fucking dog shit. Dog shit. I promise it's not going to be worth your headache or a crash out. Believe me this. No. Esco, that strategy is patched. Don't do that for FOMC. FOMC runs both sides. It'll fucking whiplash lower and then whiplash higher, and then next thing you know, it'll do this. FOMC is not a good one-shot, one-kill news event. It's just not. And if you're going to do it for CPI or NFP, position yourself prior to the event. That's what you should do. Ecstasy over and over. So no AM tomorrow. We'll trade Asia. No, I mean I'm gonna trade the AM session, but I'm not trading any of my funded accounts. What is that song? BM, we're long from the 3-minute gap on YM. I want the Dow to go higher, bro. 30-minute SMT fill. I would expect you to be in this trade. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, also, Brandon, I'm trying to sort out whether I'm doing an Airbnb or a fucking hotel room for Rufus. I still don't know yet. Cause there's like fucking 30 people fucking coming. There's no villas in Atlantic City, bro. It's just you just pick up a mansion. Yo, chill. Brandon only gives me signals outside of his Discord. I'm the only one that's allowed to get them. What is this song? I don't know about that one. The only thing with our trade is I don't know how much higher we can expand because we already expanded so much from 7 o'clock. Go back. Because I'm using a 30-minute gap. The time frame alignment with the 3-minute entry is a 30-minute. So I'm using a 30-minute gap to a 3-minute entry. Where's my candle? See how like low volume this shit is too? Go back. No, this is just this is All Night Long by Chris Stussy. Overall bias on NQ, like I would assume higher. I want to see previous daily high. What is this fucking song? Pause is not good, dude. This is a good song. This is a good song. No, it's primarily moving slow because we already had that big. We had this big ass move from 7 on, and now Asia's kind of like just chilling. You see? It's kind of super slow on NQ, ES, and YM too. We had this big ass pump, so we're getting an accumulation phase of price. Am I going live for Asia session tomorrow? Yeah. We'll be live for Asia session tomorrow. We'll definitely be live for Asia. Say you love for me. And that'll be good because it'll be after the carnage. We won't trade New York AM session, but we'll be live for we'll be live for Asia following FOMC. Bro, Dead Mouse was my favorite DJ when I was like 13. Say your message.
Taking every chance in all the places I find. Stepping in subconscious to stay up on my mind. Feeling every feeling to feel something I might. Just wait another second to free space in my mind.
Well, we're actually about to have the new hourly candle in the next 4 minutes. And that could lead into ES and ES and NQ trading into an hourly gap, which actually would be good for YM. At the moment, I now have 35 because I added Futures Elite to my stack. I trade 5 Futures Elite, the Elite accounts. They're exactly like the Lucid Flex. I need, how many more trading days do I need on those accounts, actually? I need 2 more trading days on those for payout. Funded next flex accounts, yes, they're very good. I would get the rapid accounts. How many likes do we have on stream, guys?
So before we build FX Replay, I lost money.
Guys, 58 likes, bro. We need 150 likes on the stream so that we can get giveaways going. $150 likes, and we're going to start firing off giveaway accounts. That's what I want to do. ES is going to leave behind an hourly gap, but the NASDAQ won't. Still within this 30 minute. I'm not shorting NQ, bro. My bias or my entry trade on the Dow Jones is valid until we take out that low. Until we take out that low, the trade is still valid. All right, here's the new hourly candle. We need ES to really run out that hourly candle low so that the Dow doesn't go crazy lower. I want an hourly bullish SMT. Need an hourly bullish SMT, really. Landing on track. This is a throwback. This is around the Monday. 52,940. No, I mean that's an SMT fill with NQ and ES. So I would expect us to respect that gap down here as a breakaway. Or we come down and we rebalance it and I get fucked. One of the two. But I want to see that gap as a breakaway. I don't like how we left behind that gap and we're not trading into it on NQ or ES. That's another good song. But I want... Bro, why is it only giving me rap? Yeah, this might want to come down a little lower. Dang. Hey, you might be right. You might be right. Or it's going to come down lower to rebalance that gap down here, but I don't want it to do that because this was an SMT fill with the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. So if price comes down, takes me out, then most likely we're going to see this just chop until FOMC gives it in. I might get shafted here. I might get shafted. And my stop is also right at the... Yeah, no, I'm going to get fucked. I am going to get bent. That shit flipped so hard, bro. That shit flipped so hard. Well, now NQ and ES both tagged the hourly gap, and we're bleeding like crazy. Nah, dude, I don't know about that one. It's probably gonna take me out here. What's on my mind? Hey, yo, anything could fucking happen, dude. Anything could happen. But I don't think it's a reasonable thought. Oh, Brandon, it came back on me. I wanted the SMT filled. Well, hopefully it still holds, but NQ and ES kind of gave it back up at the highs. I didn't see any like clear validation for shorts anyways. That 4-hour candle is literally a fucking lightsaber, a dual-wield lightsaber, bro. A dual-wield lightsaber. I'll shave my left eyebrow and post it in Discord. Alright.
Stop field.
I'm out there. Price didn't want to hold that bullish SMT, I guess, and the reversal that we're actually getting off of that high really doesn't make any sense to me, if I'm going to be honest with you. I mean, where we're reversing from, I don't see. That's pretty gnarly of a wick. I mean, it could be. But in my opinion, there was no reason to come back down to this imbalance or come back this low into the range if we're going to be bullish. Or it could be leaving the highs for tomorrow. Yeah, just look at the 4-hour candle that printed from the open. This automatically gives me a caution sign. You know what I mean? And my Dow Jones, my longs on YM might get stopped at break even all the way down here. I'm in at 890 and my stop's at break even right now. Like here, hold on. I'm in on YM. I might get stopped out at break even here, low key. I'm in at 52,890. I was fucking 9 points away from TP, and that shit reversed. So I need a fucking, I need a Trump candle Hulk bar sending it to the moon, or else this position is gonna get taken out. I don't know, bro. Based off how this candle's printing, I don't know if I'm safe. I don't know if I'm safe there. Daily candle. It's inside bar on YM. Previous daily. It really depends on, guys, if we hold previous daily high SMT between NQ and ES taking out that high, Dow Jones failing to take out that high, like, it's really going to be determining on how this overnight session prints. Because this literally could just mean that we create that SMT. If we flip bearish and if we dump and we get back the entire push move that we had at 7 o'clock, ES could cold-heartedly make it down to these lows. You know? I literally think I'm gonna take out a break even on this. I was 9 points away from TP, bro. I was literally 9 points from TP. It's actually criminal. Oh, it's criminal, bro. That's gross. No. Oh, your full point shorts. At the hourly IVG, you target these lows. That's what you do. Yeah, this shit is toast. This is gonna take me out break even. Shite. Shite. I just didn't expect us to get back the entire move that we made on that pump from 7 a.m. to 8. Or, 7, the entire 7 a.m. hourly candle. But again, that's pre-FOMC behavior. My open trade is a long that I took on YM down here at 890. I've literally been in longs on YM since here. Stop at the low. TP here. And my stops are break even. No, I'm literally sitting still in a long on YM. I'm not sure. This is what I was telling you guys, bro. You're gonna not want to trade tomorrow's New York AM session. You're gonna want to sit back, chill, trade eval, and then wait for after the data to drop. Trust. Trust. What will you be shorting on ES? That's the question. That's the question. What would you be taking? I wouldn't trust that just yet. I'd probably wait for the hourly candle to close to see if it closes off this gap. Iran launches missile attacks on U.S. bases. Is that accurate? I don't think that that's accurate right now, bro. Uh, okay. I don't know if I would trust that, my boy. But I mean, if it makes sense to you and it looks good to you, then you shoot for the stars, bro. If that shit looks good to you, run it. Ah. How many likes do we have in the chat? Guys, we have 93 likes. If we don't hit 150 likes, there's no giveaway. Or actually, the first giveaway I'll do it at 100 likes. Because Price is doing bullshit. 100 likes, we'll do the first giveaway. 100 likes, first giveaway. Were you... What's... Oh, already in with it? Yeah, I was already in down here at the Lowe's. I got in at 7 o'clock. Or like 7:05. That's the position that I've been holding since basically the start of the daily open. Hopefully that position and hopefully this position gets saved and it actually fucking flips and runs higher. That's what I want. I think that longs are still valid, yes. I want to see this clean out those fucking highs. The position on the screen is the one that I've been in since before the stream. I tried to take a continuation long that just didn't work out. That apparently U.S. and Iran bombed whatever the fuck. I don't even know what it was. All right, let's see. All right, we got 103 likes. Let's do the first giveaway. Let's do the first giveaway. All right, let's do that. Okay. Girl, on my mind. Oh, fuck. Esco, check, oh, fuck. Esco, check your Discord DMs. Dun, 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 dun. Afiz, I'm about to do a giveaway, kid. You can call me on Discord if you want. So play with me if you know, say so. Wait, what is CA? Aww. Afiz is donating to the cause, guys. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed to his YouTube channel. Do that as soon as possible. Subscribe to Afiz's YouTube channel. That motherfucker teaches me. But he did send me CAD. Yeah, what am I supposed to do with CAD? All right, I want to give you guys some accounts. So let's do 3 winners for some Apex accounts. For when I come to Toronto, okay, bet. I'll keep it in my YouTube wallet. I could trade it in for real maple syrup. That's actually a W. All right, so I want you guys to flood the chat with, let's say, type out code sniper. I gotta load some comments. I gotta load some comments here so that we can pick 3. And then once we pick the 3 winners, I want to make sure that you guys are in the free Discord so that I can DM you your codes. I'll let like the comments roll through so that this picks it up. Once this picks it up, we'll give it like a minute, and then I'm gonna hit load comments. I'll pick 3 winners, and then we'll be good. Let's wait till 9:31. Okay, or 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, load comments. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, confirm. Start. All right. Okay. We got Uni X Online 7235, and then Ali the Chard HY or HRY, and then Dior JYY. It's not fucking rigged, bro. I'm not doing I'm not doing shit. These are the three, and then I'll do more. I'll do these three, and then I'll do another two. Doing random a number. So make sure these three people are in the Discord. In the free Discord, so I can DM you. I need to DM you guys. I need to DM you guys. So type in the free Discord. Type in the free Discord, please. UniX Online 7235, and then Ali the Char, I don't know how to say that, and then Dyro JYY. And then let's do another two. Let's go here. Boom. Alright, yeah. Join the Discord, those three people. I'll DM you your accounts, and then we'll wait like another 10, 15 minutes or so, and then we'll run another one. The legacy accounts are intraday, yes. And then for intradays, bro, I would focus on trailing those stops aggressively. Trail those stops aggressively. Uni, I got you, bro. Uni, I'm sending it to you now. I just sent you yours, bro. Check your DMs. It's not supported in your country, bro? Fuck. Alright, I'll add it on to the next one. Oh, also it's gonna be a new 4-hour candle that prints in the next 24 minutes. Bro, you have to join my free Discord. Dior. Dyro. Yeah, you have to type in the public chat. Okay, I got you. I'm sending it to you now. I just sent it to you, bro. Check your DMs. Check your DMs. Check your DMs, bro. Bro, I think the same thing, James, but you would be surprised, bro. You would be fucking surprised. People people are just fucking stupid. And like it gets to a point where like if you get scammed to a point where it's that bad, bro, like you genuinely like I have no sympathy for you and you fucking deserve it. Like you gotta go through that fucking scam to learn to never have it happen again. But I've been scammed before. I've been scammed before with money. I think everybody in their lifetime has to get scammed at least once. Honestly, I think everybody in their lifetime has to get scammed at least one time to learn how to never get scammed again. You know? You were scammed by a crypto course and it ruined your life? Fuck. I've had a crypto scam before happen to me. Actually listen to this, yo. One of my closest friends, my roommate actually, my old roommate that I lived with in the city, he got a text message on his phone. And the text message was like, I don't even know how this is even possible to scam a wallet through a phone call. But he got a text that there was a security breach within his Coinbase account. And he said that like he needed to call this phone number in order to verify his identity. So he called the phone number, and then him calling the phone number, I think like saying a code, they got into his wallet, took 20,000 from him, and rinsed his entire Coinbase. He reached out to me. He's like, "Bro, like, what the fuck? Like, is this possible, bro? Like, has this what is this? What just happened? I'm locked out of my account." I'm like, "What do you mean? What happened?" Told me the rundown. I'm like, "Bro, I don't know what to say, and I'm sorry to hear this. I'm sorry that I'm about to say this, but you just got fucking fished. Like, you literally just got fished. It's fucked. It's so fucked." I'll answer the DM, bro. These motherfuckers are... They're clever. They're clever, yeah. Bro, you have to redeem that on Apex Trader Funding, dude. It's an Apex account. Where are you from, bro? I could tell based off of how you're just typing. Apex. It's an Apex account. Yep, it's fine. It's an Apex account, bro. Hopefully that country is allowed, or you're allowed to trade Apex where you're from. You might be able to, you might not. I'm not sure. Silence unknown callers and divide your contact saved to unknown senders. I go live typically Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. back. Yeah, no, it's literally was. You just say hello and you're fucked. It's horrible. Dude, I'm gonna get stopped. I can't believe I'm gonna get stopped out break even on this fucking Dow Jones long. That's actually crazy. How the hell is this bitch reverting this whole move? That's filthy. I traded the 2022 model? No. I'd trade a version of it. Bum, 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 bum. Brother. Holy fuck. You go on Apex Trader Funding's website and you click an account and you put that coupon code in that I sent you. Up. Oh, okay, never mind. You can't even redeem it. Sorry, bro. Saudi Arabia is banned. If Saudi Arabia is banned, then you can't. Then fuck. No, there's no activation. Well, yeah, there is an activation fee. Yeah. If you pass the account, there's an activation fee. Never wanna be. All right, let's do another one. Damn, y'all gotta move. Damn, bro. I would suggest that you get out of there. Or use a VPN. Can I put my position on the screen? My position's literally right here. I've been in a trade since 7 o'clock. But I'm probably going to get stop break even. All right, let's do. Well, this is going to be interesting. All right, yo, we're going to do another giveaway. And it's going to be a random number. It's a number between 1 and 2,000. Go and start guessing. There's no way that this happens. There's no way that anybody guesses it within the span of like a couple of minutes. There's no way. 1 and 2,000. I'll tell you guys if I see something close. I'm guessing that it's between 1,000. So it's probably between 1,000 and no. Damn, yo, I'm actually gonna get stop break even. I don't see anyone's close. Oh, wait, someone was close here. Who's close? 16. I think 1666 was close. Oh, there it is. I don't know who got. It was 1662. 1662. That was fast. That was fast. That was fast. Clankety. Clankety won. Clankety won is the winner of the giveaway. Damn, that was fast. How, dude? A number between 1 and 2,000. There's 150 people in this chat. How the fuck is that? All right, Clankety, send a message in the free Discord, and I will send you your code, brother. Damn. That literally took less than 5 minutes. How the hell did you do that? Now, this is the better giveaway, and it's not rigged either, too. This is a better way to do a giveaway. Send it in the public chat. Yeah. I don't know how the fuck you guessed that, but that's a lottery ticket. I want to do it. We'll do another one like that. Dun, dun. Got you, bro. Sending you your account now. All right, check your DM, bro. I just sent it over. Ghost, you didn't say it because you didn't get it. You didn't guess it here. Why are you tweaking? Now, let's do another one. Now let's do another one. Damn, bro. How the hell are we reversing this entire move? Jesus. That's crazy. Tomorrow's gonna be dog shit. My God. This shit is gonna be heinous. Bro, you can't request certain things. I said I have Apex accounts to give away. So I'm only giving away Apex accounts. You can't be like, oh, I want a Lucid account or a CFD prop. Not that. The fuck? Sir, I can't trade that. Can you give me this instead? No. Wow, I'm actually going to get stopped out break even on this trade. Holy fucking cunt. Keep in mind, this thing was 9 points from my TP. What a piece of shit. Sir? No, dude, I didn't see. I didn't. Oh wait, yeah. Did I? What AJ? What AJ said or sent? That shit was so funny, bro. Something about putting like a red dot on his forehead or some shit. That was so funny. Yo, let's fire off another one. Let's pick a different. Let's do. All right, I got it. This is a number between 1 and 1,677. A number between 1 and 1,677. Go, 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 go. I'm gonna be monitoring if I see it's too low or high, or if it's close. Nobody's close yet. Nobody's close. All right, so if we're seeing it's all too low, it's between the range from what I'm seeing between 1,000 and probably 1,400. 1,000 to 1,400 is probably what it's in. Oh, someone was close. I don't know who that was. I can't see. It went too fast. Someone was close again. 1,300 close? Is that what it was? 1,300? Might be in 1,300. Another one's close. 1,265, I think. 1,255 was close. Bingo. No. Get the fuck out of here. I'm sorry. Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. All right. No. We're running that back. We're running that back again. Hold on. Clankety, you got your account. I'm not giving you an. I don't know how that's possible. Okay. No, that's fire though. I can't lie. I just want to be fair to everybody else. Damn, bro, you got the magic fucking ball though. 1484. It's literally right in the fucking. Read 'em and weep, bro. Read 'em and weep. You might have like whisper flow where you're just saying the word instead of typing it out. That's crazy. Damn. All right, we're going again. Clankety, if you win again, bro, then I don't even know. All right, we're doing another one. All right, let's do this here. Should be fast. All right, number between 1 and 1,500. Go. So it's a high number. Is it a high number? I don't know. I just saw close. 777 was close. There you go. There's a different winner. That was fast as shit. How the hell did you guys guess that fast? So the correct number was 778. Correct number was 778. 778 was the correct number. And it was Maddox 018. Maddox, please send a message in the free Discord. And we'll do another one. Bakura, yeah, what did you have? 779? Maddox, I got you, bro. I want to do another one. This is fun. And the fact that these are happening and you guys are guessing that fast between 1 and 1500 is crazy. I don't know how you guys are guessing that fast. I just sent it to you, bro. Check your DMs. Check your DMs. All right, let's do another. Let's do another. Let's do another. Let's do another giveaway. This is better than game. There's no way that this happens. There's no way that this wins within 5 minutes. Go. Between 1 and 2500. Go. 1 and 2500. If someone picks a number, okay, I just said 1 in 2500 and you picked 2727. Someone call the police on you. Someone call the police on whoever typed that in. I might ban you for that. I said 1 in 2,500, and you said 2727 or something like that. Bro's fried out of his. That was funny. That was funny. That was funny. Oh, that will be clipped. Oh my god. That was all time. Eldon goes 200,000. Okay. Well, was close. I saw something that was close, but it went too fast. No, yo.
Stop field.
All right. Well, I got taken out of the fucking trade on, fucking what's it called? How the hell did Maddox win twice and how? I don't understand. And Clanky wins twice too. I don't understand. You're guessing a number between 1 and 2,500, and he clearly picked the number. Clearly, they both got a magic crystal ball. It ain't their fault. All right, we're gonna go again. We'll go again. We'll go again. We'll go again. All right. Go again. New number. What we're gonna do now? This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do between. Ooh. Let's do this. Okay. Between 69 and 3,000. Go. $69 and 3,000. Ain't no way this shit happens fast. Nobody's close from what I see. Ain't nobody close from what I see. Wait, someone was close. I fucking missed it. You guys are hacking. You guys are hacking. This is a hack. Someone's cheating. You guys are hacking. There's no way that this is actually real. There's no way that that's real. You guys, Clink Clanky and fucking Matt, you guys are both hackers. Someone's lying. It's just all right, you know what? No. We're doing this again. We're doing this again, but we're doing a word. We're doing a word. We're not doing no fucking number. We're doing a word. We're doing a word. We're doing a word. It ain't gonna be no number this time. Bro, no more numbers. This shit gonna be a fucking, what's it called? Okay. Okay. This is what it's gonna be. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Wait, what the fuck? How do I do this? Keyword. Okay. All right. I have the word in, and it is a name. It's a name of somebody. The name is, it's a name. That's all I'm going to say. It's a name. It's a first and a last name. A first and a last name. Wait, pause. Why is this not working? Wait. Danny should be winning this because the name was literally Danny _ Kosan it should have triggered because it was Kevin Warsh. It was Kevin Warsh. I don't know why the fuck. Look, this was the name, but I put it in all caps, and Danny was the one that said it. I don't know why the fuck it didn't register. Oh, did it have to do that? But this was the name. I fucking forgot to hit the click, but it was Kevin Warsh. It was Kevin Warsh. That fucking ruined it. It didn't even make it exciting. Danny, put a message in the Discord. Put a message in the Discord channel so I can send you your account. Yeah, Danny Kosan, send a message in the free Discord and I will DM you. Kevin Warsh is the new Fed chair, bro. He's gonna be the man. It's gonna be like, good day. That guy's a fucking squid. That guy's an actual. I can't say that word. But yeah, Danny, send a message in the chat. I got you. Oh, word. Okay, I got you, bro. Okay. Oh, yo, Danny, you gotta accept my friend request. Bro, did you just say I look like... Bro, fuck you mean, bro. Or Danny, you gotta send me a friend request. Send me a friend request. Add me on Discord. Oh my god, that shit just actually bottom ticked me. Holy fuck. But yeah. Anyway, guys, we're gonna cap it off here. We have FOMC tomorrow, so just be super fucking cautious in regards to trading tomorrow with all this with what's it called? FOMC being in the PM. It's probably going to be a shitty AM session. I'm not going to lie. I don't really know what to expect. Especially with this 4-hour candle print off. This session moving into tomorrow already looks like it's going to be chopped shit. But we'll figure it out. But I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. Good luck at trading tomorrow. And hopefully... shit clears up after FOMC. Take care, y'all. Be safe. I'll see you in the stream tomorrow.